Hello and welcome to Ekal Bharat. I am Ishani and you are watching Weekly Highlights. Today's first news is on June 4th, Ekal Abhiyan Gram Sangathan Women's Department Sneha Sampalk Parivar Varg was inaugurated in Bageshwar, in which 110 women from various villages of Bageshwar were present. In this class, the Varg Pramukh, Anchal Mahila Samiti Adhyaksh, and the main speaker of Anchal Bageshwar told about the overall role and objectives of the Women's Committee and the importance of this class. Second news, the 18th Foundation Day of Vanbandhu Parishad Jaipur chapter was celebrated on June 8 at Surbhi Sadan of Pinjra Paul Gaushala in Sanganer. Before the program, all the members worshipped the cow with the spirit of cow protection. The chief guest was Sir Anil Agrawal and the main speaker was Ravi Dev Gupta. Chapter Secretary Pushpendra Chaudhary presented the financial report. A new executive committee of 36 members was formed for 2025 to 27, in which Pradeep Baheti was appointed as the president, Pushpendra Chaudhary as the secretary and Pradeep Kothari as the executive president. Third news, on June 8, under the Ekal Abhiyan Shri Hari Mandir Rath, all the villagers gave a grand welcome to the chariot in the Dankhan village of Sanj Dwarahat of the Almora region of division Uttarakhand. Later, the villagers worshipped the village deity as per the rituals and a grand satsang was organized. Overall, 70 people were present in the program. Fourth news, Division Planning Class and Division Office Department Workshop took place in Indore from 5th to 7th June 2025. In this class, 99 workers from Central India, Mahakaushal and Rajasthan divisions were present. In the inaugural session of this class, the workers got guidance from the chief guest, Mrs. Geeta Mundra, National Secretary FTS, Dr. Lalan Sharma ji, Kendriya Abhiyan Pramukh and Vibhag Pramukh Sanjay Malviya. During the program, guidance was received from Kendriya Gram Sangathan Adhyaksh Atul Shah and the Kendriya Mahila Samiti Adhyaksh of the inaugural and closing ceremony, Sushma Chaudhary. Fifth news, on 5th June, Ekal Shri Hari Mandir Rath Utsav Department organized a grand Ganga worship and Aarti at the Zonal Center on the auspicious occasion of Ganga Dashera on 5th May 2025 at Garhwa Zone Center and Division South Jharkhand. On this occasion, the Shri Hari Mandir Rath was given a grand welcome near the Zonal Center and people worshipped the deity together. Sixth news, on June 5, the program of World Environment Day was held in Ekal Gramothan Foundation GRC, EOW, CTL and WEC Jamania of Khargone, in which a cleanliness drive was carried out. Havan and tree plantation work was done at the GRC Center and the Ganga Dashera program was organized. Also, a rally of World Environment Day was organized in Bagaur. Seventh news, Ekal Gramothan Foundation, Sursand, Sitamarhi celebrated the day of World Environment Day and Ganga Dashera by organizing many programs like tree plantation drives, cleanliness rallies, Shramdan and Ganga Aarti in the area. The purpose of this joint event was to connect the public with environmental protection, the importance of cleanliness and the spiritual importance of the river Ganga. 8th news, on June 9th, a program was organized in the Brahma Kumari Ashram in the Shabri Basti area of Delhi on how to make education accessible to the underprivileged. The chief guest of the program was Shyamji Gupta, guardian of Ekal Abhiyan, who filled the people present there with enthusiasm and excitement with his words.
जिस शबरी माँ ने राम जी को हनुमान जी से मिलाया, आज भी यह देश राम राज्य तब बनेगा जब हनुमान जगेगा। हनुमान को कौन जगाएगा, कौन बताएगा इस सारे समाज को? शबरी के हमारे समाज के लोग।
That's all for today. Keep watching Ekal Bharat.